Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD Prestone Tynsong today said that the construction work on the new Dwar Ksuid bridge along the Shillong bypass will be completed in the next 4 to 5 months. It may be mentioned that the present structure of the bridge is damaged and construction work of the new bridge is going on in full swing. Meanwhile, the minister also informed that there are around 40 to 50 landowners who are still not willing to part away their land for the Shillong Dawki road project, and the matter is likely to be resolved within a month.
Construction work is on, and the contractor has assured us for another maybe 4-5 months he will complete the construction of that bridge at Dwar. I don't get the exact numbers, but you see patches they have, some of them maybe 5-6 of them, again in another patches maybe 8-9 of them. It's like that. So altogether maybe around 40 or 50 landowners who are still not willing to part their land.
The Congress will contest all